As therapists, we're often dealing with anxious clients. Simply the pace of life, the demands and expectations placed upon people, unhealthy lifestyles, there's a whole gamut of causal factors causing the average person to be in a constant state of low-grade anxiety, which of course just goes hand in hand with chronic low-grade inflammation. And honestly, it all takes a toll. Now, we have a lot of tools in our toolbox to help alleviate anxiety, from exercise, diet, good sleep hygiene, breathing exercises, cognitive exercises, and the list goes on. What I want to touch on today is the use of herbs as just another quiver in your bow, so to speak, to help us deal with anxiety. So let's start with chamomile. It can help to relax the body through a plant compound called apigenin, a natural flavonoid polyphenol which binds to benzodiazepine sites on the GABA receptors in the brain. This reduces anxiety, helps us sleep, lowers adrenocorticotropic hormone that releases cortisol, and produces anti-inflammatory compounds which can relax muscles and reduce cramping. Then we have ashwagandha. This is a well-known adaptogenic herb, which means a natural substance that helps the body manage physical, mental, and environmental stress by supporting homeostasis and regulating cortisol. This adaptogen supports the hypothalamic pituitary axis in order to normalize body functions and restore balance. Ashwagandha has bioactive compounds known as withanolides, which directly activate, enhance, and mimic the calming effects of GABA neurotransmitters. So this helps us to relax the brain and our whole nervous system without causing fatigue, while simultaneously regulating cortisol, serotonin, and dopamine levels. It can act as a neuroprotective agent, promoting regeneration and reducing oxidative stress. Then we have passion flower. This is another stress-reducing herb which is primarily used to increase GABA in the brain, which gives it a sedative and calming effect, and it's well known for this. Passion flower contains compounds such as chrysin, apigenin, and harmalar alkaloids, which bind the GABA receptors and inhibits the reuptake of GABA at synapses, allowing it to remain active for longer. Lavender is also another calming herb that contains linalool and linalyl acetate, and these compounds, they interact with the parasympathetic nervous system to reduce stress and anxiety and lower heart rate. When inhaled, lavender's scent contains molecules that pass through the olfactory system to the amygdala, calming emotional distress and stress. When taken internally, lavender can boost GABA, lowering cortisol, and increase relaxation. Through combining herbs such as these, you can enhance their benefits while also being practical. So an easy way to incorporate these herbs into your life is through herbal tea. And this practice is often overlooked by our busy lives and lifestyle, but this is one that has stood the test of time, dating back centuries. The very act of having a cup of tea signals to your brain that it's time to relax, downregulate that cortisol, and increase the calming effects of GABA. One of our companies and sponsor of the Science of Psychotherapy is Restore Herbal Teas. We produce tea blends that focus on combining herbs that have been used traditionally to promote health and wellness through the joy of tea. So, if you need a bit of stress relief, consider adding the right herbal teas to your routine and check out our store, restoreherbalteas.com.